In this video, I'm going to be talking about Choom Holdings, a 2.5 cent stock. I have a zero position in this. Some guy was bugging me to make a video, probably because he wants the stock to get pumped. He wants attention to the stock, and he hopes that it gets pumped because he's probably losing a lot of money. So I'll make a video about it. I'll share my thoughts on it. I haven't even done too much research on it, but if we look at this, it says that they made net income of $5.07 million of Q1 financial results that was filed 2 months ago. We will just go and look at the actual report on SEDAR. So I actually haven't even looked into this myself. I just decided to make a video without doing any research on it. And this is like kind of like live research in front of you guys. So the last earnings report was on November 29th, 2021. So let's look at it. So from a cash perspective, they have $500,000 of cash. They have tangible assets, so a total assets of about $2 million. Property and equipment is 4.45 million. This is probably like the stores and stuff. Their total debt or their total liability is 23 million. So their total shareholder equity is about 2.4. They have convertible debentures of 8 million. Then they have lease liabilities of 7.29 million. If we look at the revenues, they made almost $5 million of revenue for the ending 3 months. Their cost of sales was 3 million. Their gross profit was 1.79 million, which is about, quickly do this, 1.7 or 1.8 divided by 4.8. 1.8 divided by 4.8. 1 divided by 4.8. 0.375. You could, yeah, so it's about standard. Most retail MJ companies get roughly between 40% to 30%, roughly in that range. So Zoom is on the higher range of the gross margins, which is not bad. They general and administration is 861,000. Sales and wages is 1.3 million. So that is about 2 million. So they are losing money just from the expenses. Depreciation and monetization of $1 million. This doesn't really count for anything. This is a tax write-off. 315,000 in share-based compensation. So they lost money. Gain on extinguish of debt. I'm not too sure what this is. There is a note 11 thinking that they pay back their debt and they read it on the balance sheet, and that's like makes it so they're profitable, but I don't know if they're really profitable. So yeah, I mean, look at the liabilities. Where would be the debt? But so they got rid of convertible debentures. So they got rid of about $8 million of convertible debentures. So that means that they converted the equity. They converted the thing into stock. So they got rid of that. but the stock is probably heavily diluted, like super diluted in my opinion. I haven't even looked at the dilution, but it made a profit only because of technicalities of accounting principles, but they actually lost money. They're way too small of a company. There's way too much competition. This is basically a lotto ticket at the moment, in my opinion. How many shares do they have? Look, they have total of 62 million. My opinion to anybody is, if this thing goes up to 5 cents, just take your profit, because you know a lot of people, like, unless rich people want to come in and pump this thing to the moon, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. I'll be honest. It's just too much competition. The best thing Choom can do right now is to just sell the company out to someone. Maybe Canopy or Afria, or one of the major players that have a lot of money. Just sell it out. Get rid of the company. Unless there is some kind of big, like, huge, gigantic news in the background that will cause the stock to explode, because it'll cause FOMO and a lot of buying pressure to skyrocket. But it's still a lotto ticket right now, in my opinion. So let's look at the presentation. Wow, so they have 325 million outstanding shares. Fully diluted is almost 400 million shares. Where's the investor presentation? Oh wow, whatever. I don't know. Can't seem to get access to it. So whatever. It doesn't matter. I don't really care too much. Don't have an investor. I hope you guys luck. I hope you guys good luck. I wish either retail investors or super rich people or whatever come in and pump your stock. I mean, I think you have better luck investing into, like, 1999 Industries T-GIF. At least they're in the States, right? Somebody wants that business. They're in what is it? Nevada. So when legalize happens, maybe someone will buy this company out. The CEO used to be part of Kronos, which was basically a big giant scam to Altera, in my opinion. So yeah, they scammed them good. This one at least is a little bit more interesting because it's a US play. So, up to you what you want to do. But personally, I'm not investing into Doom. Don't plan to. I wish you guys good luck. And I'm out. See you later.